it's a snowstorm in St. Louis and you go to the store, but it's super packed. This all the stuff I got. Got some chicken, chips and all that good stuff. But I gotta be prepared, right? Oh. And so I'm just waiting and waiting. Gotta have that tissue to wipe my booty. Gotta have them paper towels. Gotta have that hot chicken. I might stop and give me a piece over there. And shut up. Pizza, and they got some good hot dogs. They got everything. I make £100. I'm over here by this stuff, but it's not tempting. What's tempting is them pizzas over there. I love me some pizza. But hold on, it looks like I'm going bald. I pray to God I'm not. I gotta stop stretching this little ponytail to make some hair into a ponytail that I know I ain't got. I gotta start back wearing my froze. I can't put tension on this. I didn't try to jump me anyway. Bye. I ain't got all day. And then my phone battery is about to die. My phone battery is about to die.